Porsche smashes its own record at the Nürburgring, with the 911 GT3 Manthey Porsche has once again proven its engineering prowess on the world's most demanding racetrack. Using the updated 911 GT3 992.2, equipped with the Manthey kit, the manufacturer clocked a blistering lap time of 6:50.863 at the Nürburgring Nordschleife. This isn't just another lap. It represents a massive leap in performance, shaving nearly 5 seconds off the previous record held by the predecessor model. The race for supremacy, the Nürburgring, has become the ultimate proving ground for high-performance manufacturers. In recent months, a fierce arms race has emerged among top-tier brands. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X set a high bar with a 6:49.275 lap. Ford responded aggressively, posting an even faster 6:40.835, while Porsche's new time of 6:50.863 still trails the lightning-fast pace set by Chevy and Ford. The improvement is staggering. The new time is 4.874 seconds faster than the previous GT3 992.1 Manthey lap, and over 5 seconds quicker than a standard, non-kit GT3. Engineering the attack mode, the significant jump in performance is not due to a massive increase in raw horsepower, but rather a sophisticated mastery of aerodynamics and mechanical grip. The Manthey kit transforms the standard GT3 into a track-focused weapon through several key upgrades. Extreme downforce. In its full attack mode, the kit generates up to 1,190 pounds of downforce. Even in a milder setup, it maintains 782 pounds. This puts it on par with the Corvette ZR1X, which produces roughly 1,200 pounds. Enhanced aerodynamics. The kit features redesigned front and rear wings, along with an optimized underbody. The underbody's turning vanes are 39 inches longer than those on the standard model, significantly improving airflow management. Precision handling. A 4-way adjustable coilover suspension with stiffer springs allows for much finer control through the Nordschleife's high-speed corners. Maximum grip. The car utilized optional Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, which are specifically engineered for extreme track performance. Technical specifications. Despite the heavy focus on aero and suspension, the core powertrain remains a masterpiece of natural aspiration. Feature specification: engine 4-liter naturally aspirated flat-six, power 518 horsepower torque, 342 lb-ft transmission, 7-speed PDK dual clutch, weight 3,268 pounds. Why this matters in the world of performance cars. Lap times are often used as a proxy for engineering efficiency. For Porsche, shaving nearly 5 seconds off a record using a similar platform is a testament to incremental optimization. It shows that through better aerodynamics and suspension tuning, a manufacturer can extract significantly more performance from the same fundamental engine and chassis. Being nearly 5 seconds faster than its predecessor is a real testament to the development work and close collaboration with Porsche, stated Christoph Brewer, director of road cars at Manthey Racing. Conclusion: Porsche's latest Nürburgring run confirms that the 911 GT3 Manthey is a masterclass in precision tuning. While it may not yet lead the overall pack against Ford and Chevy, its ability to drastically improve upon its own benchmarks sets a new standard for track-ready road cars.